Um, Goldman Sachs, gold is becoming poor man's crypto.
Hmm.
Goldman Sachs, head of energy research, says just like we argue that silver is the poor man's gold, gold is maybe becoming the poor man's crypto.
Got him.
He sees funds starting to flow from gold into Bitcoin as inflation fears escalate, which we think are way overdone. But noting that we've argued historically that crypto and gold do not have to cannibalize each other. This is from Damian Corvelin, head of energy research at Goldman Sachs, talked about the outlook for gold and crypto in an interview with Bloomberg. He was asked whether he sees any evidence of investors using other assets like Bitcoin and crypto to hedge against inflation. He said, just like we argue that silver is the poor man's gold, gold is maybe becoming the poor man's crypto. I can tell you there was zero people at the WSOP talking about gold.
What about
zero people?
What about silver?
There was one guy talking about silver.
There always is. There always is.
There was one guy talking about silver. Yeah,
is he talking about JP Morgan?
He was talking about silver
markets?
bars, and he played a poker tournament where you could only pay in silver. And it was weird. But
so that was a fun fact for all the silver lovers out there that say it's artificially suppressed and stuff. Is Bitcoin flipped silver's market cap? I don't know if it stayed. It might have been very temporary, but over the weekend they were kind of right neck and neck that Bitcoin was passing silver's market cap.
What is your favorite kind of silver?
My favorite kind of silver?
Yeah.
I feel like this is a trick.
Mine is Long Johns.
Ah, of course it is.
Old Long John silvers. Love those.
That's disgusting.
I'm a big fan of Long John silvers. It's actually like my favorite fast food place, but I don't eat it too much. We have a Taco Bell Long John silvers combo here.
See, I always wonder.
Love the fried fish.
I always drive by there and think, who actually eats here? How do they stay open?
It's me.
Now I know.
It's me for sure. They stay open because of me. I single-handedly keep them in business. At this point, there may be enough wealth to allocate to both, especially I think as the inflation signal is starting to be more pressing. Which, by the way, isn't it a little strange that both of the fish places are named or like pirate names, like Long John Silver and Captain D's? Captain D's supposed to be a pirate, right?
I guess.
Or is he not a pirate? Maybe he's just a fisherman.
He's just a captain. Pun Any Vamper said his favorite type of silver is Quicksilver.
Oh, that's good. Somebody like Silver Bells.
Yeah.
Pretty good, too. A lot of good silvers out there. Silver Sluggers. Silver Slugger Awards. Braves got 4 of them.
You see that one?
Which one?
I can't read it, but it's pretty funny.
That's pretty good. He does like that.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. At this point, there may be enough wealth to allocate to both, especially, I think, as the inflation signal is starting to be more pressing. The executive noted the value of crypto is its network, just like the value of oil is the fact it's consumed. Gold, like diamonds and art, doesn't have that. Just a pure defensive asset that can outperform over a significant period of time. So, really interesting stuff. You have Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, recommending Bitcoin and gold. In his last prediction, he warned of a giant market crash followed by a new depression. He recommended be smart, buy gold, silver, Bitcoin. I agree with the sentiment, but you do have to wonder. Also, by the way, Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk selling off tons of stock right now.
Mm-hmm.
What does that tell y'all?
They know something's coming.
What does that? What do you think they're moving into?
Cash.
They're moving into cash. Or what I've told you all year, or at least half the year, is coming. And also, by the way, this whole thing with Elon Musk putting the poll on Twitter, that was a scam. He was already selling this. He knew what the results would be. Basically, what he did was he knew he was going to sell, and I got sources on this. He was already going to sell it for 100%.
Yep.
What he did is he basically allowed people to give him permission to do it before he did it.
He turned it from a negative news to a positive news.
Yep. Well, they told me to do it, so I did it. Look, I'm a maverick. I'm Elon the Maverick. Look at me.
Yeah, I'm doing it for the people.
Golly. What about you see what he said to Bernie Sanders?
Yeah, that was funny.
I hate Elon Musk. He is pretty much the scum of the earth. But I will tell you that what he said about Bernie Sanders was so funny. Bernie said, tax the wealthy. And Elon Musk said, I keep forgetting you're still alive.
I mean, his social game's pretty good.
It is. It is. It's pretty funny. So,
yeah, exactly. Stupid Elon, but smart Elon. Good play, you dirty scumbag.
Yeah, exactly.
Well said.
Well said.